Because joining iCar, you get to have a job with a purpose that affects everybody, your friends, your neighbors, your family. Having cars be fixed properly after they've been in a collision affects everybody you touch.
One of the best things working for iCar is really about the passion that people have that work within the organization, as well as the passion that people in the collision repair industry have as well.
So one thing unique about iCar is, one, we're financially stable, but if you combine that with our not-for-profit status, we don't have shareholders. So we don't have to make decisions that are in the financial best interests of iCar.
I've realized in my career that it is not only important to work for a company because of the job, the salary, benefits, but it's equally as important as the history of the company, why the company exists, and the leadership to make that happen.
I mean, iCar is making an impact on the industry because teaching complete, safe, quality repair doesn't just benefit the consumers as we work to do. It benefits everybody in that it's the cars on the road that are being fixed properly. And we really are the main source and the best source for people to find that education to fix the cars properly.
It is all in one way or another tied to safety. It's all about giving the people in this industry the information, knowledge, and skills that they need to perform those complete safe repairs so that those consumers, the motoring public, is safer.
What I really like is we're making a difference. We're making an impact on our customers, our end consumers, and everybody's working for a common goal. At the end of the day, when there's conflict or we're not sure what priority we should work on, we go back to what is the best for the customer? What should we be doing to make the greatest difference?
iCar absolutely sets the bar for excellence in the collision repair industry. You know, as I go out into the world and I meet new people and they ask questions like, what do you do for a living? And I start talking about iCar and I explain what we do. They don't realize that everything that iCar does makes everyone on the highways safer.
At iCar, your voice matters. You can submit ideas to the leadership team and they actually act on those ideas and they'll implement them throughout the company. At iCar, we hold ourselves to a level of excellence when it comes to our internal and external customers, meaning showing up every day, doing your best, doing quality work, and really making a difference in our industry.
iCar is truly committed to their people in growing their careers. They want to see everyone succeed and stay with iCar and continue to make a difference. They're focusing on excellence and making sure that we are delivering excellence not only internally but to our entire industry.
Someone should come to work for iCar if you want to wake up every day and be inspired and make a difference in the world. It's really as simple as that. We really believe what we say when we're trying to fix cars and fix vehicles for the ultimate benefit of the consumer. We serve the entire industry and we rally around that to make that a reality.
My favorite thing about working for iCar is that I have the opportunity to lead a talented team of individuals on a daily basis and keep them challenged. And they keep me challenged. And I can do this while having work-life balance and being a good father and husband.
Well, I just think it's been a great place to work and grow as a professional, but also, like I said, to start a family. I would also say that I really enjoy the people that we work with. It's a really diverse group of employees with a lot of different backgrounds.
The people, of course. The people that I work with at iCar are genuine, professional, and very respectful of each other. People here are passionate about the leading role that iCar plays within the collision industry.
It's a great opportunity to grow your career. It's got a lot of opportunity for flexible work arrangements and still having a family in addition to having a really challenging career. And I think those are some of the best things about working at iCar.
The thing I like the most about working for iCar is it's the first company that I went to work for that truly believes what they do. What our slogans, our vision, our mission are not slogans, they're what we live. And I haven't experienced that anywhere else.